35 or 35%. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So for the cantilever foam traveler, this is some typical cases, project cases. In the middle, yeah, we can say the Xilamulun River Bridge in Mongolia, which is with very big span, with bridge span is 240. 6 per column. The column height is over 130 meters in height.
Okay, so, you mean the height of the pier?
Yes.
Is over 130 meters. Okay, you can imagine how high.
Yes,
how high
as you say, it is across the very famous river Xilamulun. It is the mother river in the Mongolia people. And the Boyoun keeps on investment for R&D research work. So during the years of experience for the R&D, the cantilever foam travelers of Boyoun are the first leading company to do the standardization of the truss. As you see, for different bridge, they have the different span, and the cross section of the girders are different from each other. So how to saving the formwork for our clients, and how to reduce the carbon extrusion for their clients. That's why we do the standardization. For the truss, we classified 5 different types of truss. So these different types can cover over 90% of bridge in China and abroad.
Okay, so I understand this is why Boyoun can have successful rental business for in Chinese market, because because the different types of foam travelers can be used for nearly 90% of bridges in China.
Construction, yeah. Okay. So now we Boyoun supplied the cantilever foam traveler, the 5th generation, based on their keep on improving generation by generation. Nowadays, the foam travelers, the design with friendly operation, very easy to install and dismantle after finished construction. And in China mainland, over 80%, I think over 90% of orders are cantilever foam travelers. And for overseas, it's just one of coin projects. And other projects at the bottom, we have such ability to do some very difficult construction, bridge construction project, and inside China, you can see the first in Xiamen province, and in the middle ones in our hometown company's headquarters city in Binzhou, and this type is also in Mongolia already delivered over 11 pairs of cantilever foam travelers, and the bridge is approaching closure currently, and the bridge is planning to open to traffic in the October of next year. And we also delivered deliver cantilever foam trailer abroad in Philippines, the BGC Oregon's Bridge in Philippines, and another in Malaysia, Plan River Bridge.
Plan River Bridge. Okay. Okay. So for the last project, the design of foam trailers, this type of foam trailer is designed by a local company in Malaysia, and but manufactured by Boyoun.
Yes, we also can handle the to produce according to customers' drawings. That's make to order. We also supplied 2 pairs of cantilever foam trailer to Thailand. That's the triangle type of truss. Yes, it's different It's different types. For some clients or some projects in other countries or areas, they're used to other types different from the rhombic types. That we could do according to customers' drawings or customers' their favorite types of truss. So we have such R&D and the capability of production. That's no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So next.
Yeah, this pier formwork. As you see before, during the girders construction, yeah, it is the after finished the foundation, the column should be erected, and the formwork Boyoun supplied, or you can see the picture in the middle. In the middle, every layer with safeguard rails, and every layers, the height of one layer is the standard layer is 2 meters in height, and also different piers they have their adjustment layer at the bottom. Always the height is 1 meter, 1.5 meter, or 0.5 meter in height. That's after all this formwork arrived at project site, the workers can install the formwork very quickly with safeguard. It is no need the scaffolding system at the top, at the bottom. This is a new developed new generation of our formwork. For the project in Mongolia, we delivered over 2,000 and 2,500 tons for this one project. It is quite a huge quantity.
Yes.
And for this project, the pier, the type of piers covers square hollow type.
Okay.
Circular.
You mean the hollow? You mean in the middle? It is hollow.
Yes.
Okay. So like this.
Yes.
Hollow.
And you say why? As the height, maximum height of the pier is over 55 meters. So that's if it is a solid type, it is really big weight. So that make the hollow type make the total weight of the pier be lighter, be safer for the during construction and saving the construction material, the concrete, and also the circular hollow type, also the circular solid type.
Okay.
Besides provide formwork for pier column, also the pier head. The formwork can be supplied. The pier head is usually much more difficult than the pier column. As you see, the curved curved surface on the top, it is quite a challenge to the ID and the production.
Okay, you mean the pier cap like this? Here,
yes.
There's a curve
Yes.
Yeah, and it's difficult to make this type of curve.
Yes,
Okay.
it is very difficult to control the accuracy. That's while before delivery from factory, yeah, we do the pre-assembling work in the factory. Every two neighborhood layers will be assembled firstly and to adjust to the accuracy. After finished, the adjustment to make sure the size, the dimensions meet the size on the drawings, then disassembled and to do the painting work. After finished painting, to be loaded onto the trucks to transport it to project site. So after this formwork arrive at project site, the workers can do the installation directly. They usually install 4 layers at one time. And after finished, the 4 layers installation, it is no need to waste more time to do the adjustment work. That saves quite a lot of time during the construction period.
Okay. Okay, so for this project is
this project is for overseas project and talent. Yeah, you can see the safeguard also under Formwork, and they can protect the operators safe. And also for this project, for the Formwork before delivery from factory, they do the adjustment for the right accuracy according to the drawings. Yeah, this project got a very high praise from our client as well as the project in the Mongolia. Yeah, we have very high reputation in this field from our clients.
Okay, good. Okay, so next.
This segmental box girder. Yeah, besides the cantilever foam trailer and the pier formwork, the segmental mount, it is another core project of Boyoun.
Yes.
Give our
Okay. So I'm so honored to introduce our segmental box girder formwork. Usually, this type of segmental box girder formwork is used for precast yard. Okay, so and for this type of the segmental box girder formwork, you can see there are many 5 parts, such as you can see here. This is the inner core part, and also to match the inner core. Okay, to match the inner core. Yeah, this is a finger wagon to operate the inner core. Okay, and also you can see these are the chassis, the support, and also there is the end formwork. The end formwork and also wing formwork. Okay, you can see the both sides. This is a wing formwork because it's like a wing, so we call it wing formwork. And also the bottom formwork. You see, it is the bottom formwork, and also the trolley to move the formwork. Yeah, and this trolley moves on the tracks. Also, you can see the tracks here. Yeah, there are 2 tracks under the trolley, and the trolley moves on this track.
So for one set of segmental mount, so how many sets of trolley does the one set?
Okay, so usually only one set of trolley is used for one set of segmental box girder formwork.
So after finished pouring, the trolley can carry the point girders to go away from the position.
Yes, to move the girder. Yes. Okay, and you can see here the first picture, it is a single box, single cell, because you can see only one cell, so we call it single box, single cell.
It is common type of
yeah, yes, and also you can see this picture. You can see two cells, so we call it single box, two cell. Yes, usually two cell is wider than the single cell. Okay, so different, Boyoun can do different types of width, such as single box, single cell, single box, double cell, even single box, three cell, single box, four cell, single box, five cell. You can imagine the five cell, how wide it is. Okay, so most of our precast segmental box girder formwork, our clients use short line casting. Yes, and you can see the most pictures, most photos here. They are for short line casting. But you can see this picture. Yeah, this one is for long line casting.
So, Jay, what's the difference between short line and the long line?
Okay, so for short line, the formwork just cast one. Hello. Okay, welcome to our live stream. This is Jay from Shandong Boyoun Heavy Industries company.
This is Louis. Yeah, Jay, please go on.
Okay, so for the short line and the long line, the short line, so one set of formwork, the girder is casted here, just set by set, piece by piece. But for this, and you can see the long line. You can see this line, it is long, and the formwork, you can here one set formwork and another set. They will put such as they will put different formwork on the line at the same time, and the casting at the same time.
That means with high productivity for the long line types.
Yes, but also use long line and also need to check whether it matches well.
Oh yes.
Yes. Okay.
That's quick to save quite a lot of construction time.
Okay, so look at this. Look at the first picture here. It is a very very famous project. Padma
Bangladesh, right?
Yes, in Bangladesh, Padma Bridge is called Dream Bridge by the local people.
Wow.
Yes, and this is a big project. For Padma Bridge, it is fully Chinese standard. Yeah.
How many sets of such type of formwork Boyoun delivered?
I think for this bridge, Boyoun has provided over 23 sets.
Big order.
Yes, and over 2,300 tons of segmental box girder for Padma Bridge. And this Padma Bridge use Chinese standard, and most of the materials comes from China.
Wow.
Okay, the contractor, wonderful. Yes, the designer and the contractor are from Chinese companies. Okay.
It is open to traffic.
Yes. Padma Bridge is open last July in Bangladesh.
New bridge.
Yeah, new bridge, and yes, it is iconic bridge in Bangladesh. Okay, so the second picture, it is a talent project. We call it OPP project.
Overseas project either.
Yes, and the contractor is also a Sino-Hydro. Yeah. Okay, so you can see this one is single box two cell segmental box girder formwork. For this project, it has two types. One is single box single cell, and the single box single cell, the local government supports a local manufacturer. But for single box two cell, Boyoun has got this project, and we for this project we supplied over 800 tons.
Two cells, much more difficult than one cell.
Yes. So bigger, the more difficult. Okay, yes. So our segmental box girder formwork, when they mold and demold, we use hydraulic system to control it. Yes, hydraulic, and we have two types of hydraulic system. One is the working hydraulic system, like this, work like this. And then the other one is a motor hydraulic system. It moves fast.
Yes. It is not mechanical only.
Yes, not mechanical, but hydraulic
manual.
System. Yes,
Manual
hydraulic
operation.
system, fully hydraulic system.
Yes, good.
Okay, so for this one also, this year we also have got many orders from Singapore, because precast segmental box is very
Popular.
common, with very popular in Singapore. Do you know why, Luis?
I think maybe a crowded, limited space, right?
Yes, because Singapore is very small, and the land is limited. So the girders are usually produced by in a precast yard, and in the cast, and after completing the girders, then transporting the girder to the job site.
This one is the cantilever foam traverse market share is not so high for overseas market as in China mainland, right? So different countries, they have their own conditions for the constructions. So from the beginning of the designing procedure, they will take this into consideration. At that time, the construction method already be decided. So that's why.
Yes.
Deliver different formwork based on their conditions, local conditions.
Yes, usually there are two types of construction for bridges. One is cast in situ, the cast in situ, and the other one is precast. So in China has huge land, and China has enough space for cast in situ. But such as Hong Kong and also Singapore, they have limited land, so usually the cast in situ is not allowed. Yeah. Okay, so this next is our underslab from Traveler. Okay, so you can see this. So for this one is Indonesia, Boyoun. This is Boyoun. Island bridge.
Yeah, we can see the main structure under the girders, under the bridge.
Yes, and okay, the travel under the bridge, so it requires it has high requirement on anchor, and the travel under the bridge, so the anchor must be strong enough. And also you can see for this type of design, it is designed by a Taiwanese company, and but the foam travelers are manufactured by Boyoun.
Make to order.
Yes. Okay. So Boyoun Bridge is also a very famous bridge in Indonesia, and now it is nearly open for traffic. And for this bridge, Boyoun has for Boyoun and also Kendari Bridge. You can see this. Kendari, this picture is Kendari.
Another bridge in Indonesia either.
Yes, but the contractor is the same company. We also the foam travelers were produced at the nearly the same time. Yes.
Is the same underslab, huh?
Yes, the Boyoun Bridge, Boyoun Cable Stay Bridge, and Kendari Cable Stay Bridge. They are sea crossing bridge, and for the Boyoun Bridge, its main span is 402 meters. The main span, you can see it is.
I think after it is open to public, the drivers can enjoy the sightseeing during drive across the bridge, right?
Yes.
So
in the future, I hope we can drive on this bridge to enjoy the sightseeing of Indonesia. Okay. So these are different. These are different project project cases of Boyoun for understand from travelers, and both in China and in overseas market.
Boyoun can do the same times, not only for overseas market, also inside China, right?
Yes. Okay. For next part is our tunnel lining trolley.
For tunnel construction, wow, looks so huge. Such kind of formwork.
Okay, so the tunnel lining trolley is used for the secondary lining for tunnel. You mean after the tunnel is excavated, then excavated, and then the first lining usually they use some steel support inside it, and during the second lining, they will use our tunnel lining trolley to do the secondary lining. Okay, we also for this machine we use hydraulic system to control it, to move forward, and also to demold and mold. We use hydraulic system.
Yes, we can see the blue, the blue color. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a component of the hydraulic
jack. Yes, this is screw jack. Okay, so this one is MRT2 tunnel project in Malaysia.
Overseas project.
Yes, and in Malaysia, actually for our tunnel lining trolley, we have exported many to Malaysia, such as the MRT2 and the ECRL project. And also for this one is OTA. Our client is OTA. We provide this full circle. The full circle tunnel lining trolley for hydro plant.
Besides the half circle, also the full circle can be supplied, can be infrastructure.
Okay. Yes. For this full circle one, it is the diameter is very small, but for the big one, usually the diameter is over 6 meters, even 8, even 10.
I think for the expressway, and or also for the maybe a rail or high-speed rail.
Yes,
the dimension will be much bigger than the full circle, right?
Yes. Okay. For this, usually for this type of formwork is usually for railway project, railway, and you can such as also MRT2.
Yeah, over 6 meter for the diameter.
Yes. Okay. So these are our tunnel lining trolley. Okay, so next one.
Exhibition. Yes, so many people crowded.
Yes, and this November, this September, our company has participated in the second engineering exhibition of conference in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
That sounds so good after COVID. So all over the world, the people can go very freely.
Yes, but this is our booth, our booth, and some visitors visit our booth. Yes, and for this, this is the second engineering exhibition conference. In the future, also we have more. We will
looks amazing. We can see the crowded visitors.
Yes, and this exhibition conference is held by AEM.
Yeah, famous.
Engineers Associates.
Yes, that sounds amazing.
Okay, so this November 15th to 16th, our company will also participate in 5th Railway Summit in Philippines.
2 months later.
Yes, 2 months later, and we Boyoun is the gold sponsor for this summit.
Well, it is for railway, very specific areas for their for construction.
Yes, infrastructure project. It is helpful, I think. Okay, so welcome to visit our booth in Philippines and see you in Philippines.
Yes, I think later, maybe we can send the invitation to our friends. If they're available, we're welcoming their visit to the booth of new exhibition in November in Philippines, and we are also welcoming to our clients, our friends to contact us always if they have some inquiries on the bridge construction, further formwork, further general engineering. Just feel free to contact us always.
Okay, so it's the end of our live stream today.
That's a good time to do the live broadcast with Jay.
Okay, so see you next time.
Yeah.
Thank you for
your
watching.
attention. Yeah. Bye bye now.
Bye bye.
See you next time. Bye bye. Hello. Welcome. And we will send you the name card.
已经都结束了哈。又多了几个买家进入那个直播间上，发送名片了。
对，我点了，我都点了，我结束了。可以，哦，可以结束。这是。